Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to fix Snapchat not sending notifications. It's super easy and I'll show you 6 ways on how to fix your Snapchat notifications. Number 1. Check notification settings. Open your Snapchat app on your phone. In the top left corner of your screen, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on that. Now at the top right corner, tap on the gear icon. Scroll down and look for notifications. Tap on it, enable notification, and ensure that all relevant notifications are enabled. If not, you can toggle them on. Number 2, verify phone settings. Go to your phone settings, scroll down, and look for apps. Tap on it, and click on Manage Apps. Here you'll need to type Snapchat, click on it, and look for notifications. Tap on it. Make sure that the notifications are on. If not, you can toggle them on. Third, check for Do Not Disturb. Go to your phone settings and look for sound and vibration. Look for Do Not Disturb. Make sure that the Do Not Disturb is turned off. Fourth is to update Snapchat. Go to your Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and if there's a need to update it to make sure that you have the latest version of the Snapchat app. The fifth one is to clear cache. Go to your phone settings, look for apps, manage apps, and look for Snapchat. Click on it and click on Storage, Clear Data, and Clear Cache. This will clear unnecessary data in your app. And lastly, uninstall and reinstall your Snapchat app. Go to your Snapchat app and long press and click uninstall. Take note that if you uninstall your Snapchat app, it will log you out of your Snapchat account. Click on uninstall and uninstall the Snapchat. Once you're done uninstalling the app, you just need to go back to your Play Store and reinstall it again. And that's it. That's how you fix Snapchat not sending notification. And if you found this video helpful, please click like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!